Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, in this question, an operator sitting in his base camp send a sound signal of frequency 400 hertz. Okay, so f naught is here 400 hertz. Okay, the signal is reflected back from a car moving towards him, and the frequency of the reflected sound is given 410. Okay, so first of all, this initial frequency f naught going to the car. Okay, and that frequency heard by the car, that will be f1. Okay, and the reflected back from the car, the frequency, it will be f2. Okay, it is we heard by the person. Okay, person in the car, understand, and f2, that is the frequency heard by the, okay, heard by the operator. Okay, that is the reflected back. So okay, and it is given f2 410 hertz. Okay, and we have to find out the speed of the car. So car is, okay, car is moving towards him. So first of all, we can find out the frequency heard by the person that is in car, that is f1. Okay, it will be v plus, here the observer will be v naught. Okay, or we can say the speed of the car. Okay, here vo. So we have to find out vo here. Okay, divided by, that will be the source, that is the operator, it is sitting, so it will be v only. Okay, there will be no vs, multiplied by f naught. Okay, so from here we can say the f naught is given 400. Okay, first of all, f1, it will be v, that is 324. Let's take v naught divided by v, that is 324, multiplied by 400. This will be our equation 1. Okay, and then now the sound will be reflected, okay, from the car, and now the operator will hear. So the received frequency from the operator, that will be f2. Okay, and now the observer becomes source and the source become observer. Okay, so here v divided by v minus vs. Okay, because now the observer speed will be 0 and the source speed will be the speed of the car vs. Okay, so that is vs, that will be equals to v naught. Okay, so that will be multiplied by, okay, the frequency that is reflected from the equation first, that is f1. Okay, like this, you understand my point? So f1, okay, so here f2 is given 410, that is equals to v divided by v minus vs, that is same from the before. Okay, that is vs, multiplied by f1. Okay, f1 from the equation 1 here. Okay, I am taking it right now, f1. So we will put values 410, that is equals to v 324 divided by 324 minus vs. Okay, multiplied by f1. So this will be our equation 2. Okay, now from these two equations we have to find out the value of vs or v naught, that will be same. Okay, in the first case there will be the observer speed, in the second case this will be the source speed, that is the speed of car. Let's take that is equals to x. Okay, now 410, that will be equals to 324 divided by 324 minus vs, here x, multiplied by f1 from the equation 1 from here. Okay, it will be 324 plus x divided by 324. Okay, multiplied by 400. It means just simple, we have to solve this equation to find out the value of x. It is very simple. Okay, so how 324, that can be cancelled by this 324, or we can say 410, it will be 324 plus x divided by 324 minus x multiplied by 400. Okay, now we will cross multiply. So 410 multiplied by 324 minus x equals to 324 plus x multiplied by 400. Okay, and now, okay, we solve this. So it will be 410 multiplied by 324 minus 410x equals to 324 multiplied by 400 plus 400x. Okay, so the variable will be on the left side and the constant variable on the right side and constant in the left side. Okay, so 410 multiplied by 324, and this will goes in the new left side. So 324 multiplied by 400 equals to this 410 goes to the right side, so 410x plus 400x. Okay, from these two we will take 324 common, and into the bracket 410 minus 400, that is equals to 810x. Okay, this will be 10, multiplied by 324, it will be 3240 equals to 810x. So x will be 3240 divided by 810. When we solve, it will be 4, that is 4 meter per second. Okay, so the speed of the car, it will be 4 meter per second. You can also take this in the kilometer per hour. Okay, this will be 4 multiplied by 18 divided by 5. Okay, that is 72 by 5 kilometer per hour. This will be the final answer of this question. Thank you.